Welcome to the Gujarat Cooperative Summit, sir. We are hosting it for the first time in association with the government of Gujarat, and today we are in Mahatma Mandir, Gandhinagar. We have with us Mr. John Amalraj, who is a business consultant with GI Technology, and we would like to know from him, so how is your experience today when you come today under this cooperative summit by Let's Technomedia today here?
See, many meets I have attended, but one of the good things I found about this meet was it was a lot more focused, and it was a real place where needs actually met up with technology. Because this is normally the problems that happen. One person has a need and the other person has the solution, but somehow the meeting points are not there. And generally these kind of shows end up trying to do many things and not much happens. So this was a real good meeting place where technology really blended with the requirements of the cooperative society and the banks in particular. So it's a good show.
Sir, today the theme of the conference that we are having is confidence restored on cooperatives, wherein we would like to focus on the idea that cooperatives, being one of the smallest sector of operation or smallest sector of the industry, is contributing quite a big share today in the chunk of the economical development that is happening across the country. So we would like to know from you, sir, about like how accurate do you feel that statement has been made, or there is a way longer way to go for this?
See, actually one of the basic thing, as the name itself suggests, cooperative, when you say it's a cooperation of the people together, how they bring about their funds together so that they help the others who are in need. And so this is the way the cooperative society happened. So much before the financial inclusion, which is now taking place, actually the financial inclusion started much earlier with the cooperative banks only. Because one of the things that happens is they are very, very close to the customer, and they actually care for the customer who does not actually have money and who would need access to all these kind of technologies. So that way, if you really take us, the theme is a very relevant theme, because this is the cooperative society is the society that can actually bring up the development of the country, because they are in touch with the rural masses.
Any specific message that you would like to convey for Let's Technomedia today, who has been having a record of hosting this kind of summits in association with the governments and its various departments?
I have only one thing to say. It's a show very well organized and very well done with, but certain of the things which can be improved upon. For example, the agenda was not given to us. So these are certain of the that is about the only thing which I felt was bad. But otherwise, it was very well organized. Started on time. We got enough time with the delegates who had come for the meeting. So this is something which is not available in most of the places. So it is a good win-win situation for all what you have done.
Thank you, sir. It was nice having your opinion today in this summit to us.